Hello, Zimbabweans. Today I want to talk about agriculture in Zimbabwe. There has been a lot of talk about downsizing, repossession, redistribution. I wonder whether all those things will help, because first we have to look at our so-called land revolution. Did we do it properly? We did not take a holistic approach to the land reform program. What I mean by holistic approach is that first and foremost, we should have made sure that we had trained enough agricultural extension officers. Two, we should have made sure that we had created banking institutions to deal with land reform. I am not even talking of the later on land reform program. I'm talking of the initial stages of the land reform program, where we had what is popularly known as Nindamirefu. You would not want to bound people together, useless people who had no knowledge of no methods of farming at all besides what they have been used in the rural areas, in reserve areas, ox-drawn plows for tillage and things like that. That is not what I mean by holistic approach. There should have been proper methods of agricultural production by all these people. And this should have extended much later on, when the land program was then extended to quite a number of other people besides the Nindamirefu kind of stuff. Having done that, we also needed to look at the whole educational system. Our whole educational system must have embraced agricultural production as the mainstay of our living. Right from time immemorial, we have been basically agricultural. And this did not really entail teaching people how to grow tobacco, how to grow vegetables, how to grow maize. It entailed people knowing agricultural production holistically. That means even knowing how to analyze the soils to see which soil was suitable for what crop and at what time. This should also have included education of really equipping students with the know-how, equipping students with the know-how to invent simple methods of tilling, simple methods of harvesting, and simple methods of even planting whatever was to be put on the soil. So this is what I mean by a holistic approach to agricultural production, not what we are doing at the moment. You want to redistribute the land to whom? the farms that you are saying you are downsizing. To whom are you going to redistribute those farms? To the same people who don't have the inputs, who don't have the know-how, who don't have anything. Look, the white man used to excel in agriculture because he had the banking institutions ready to provide him with anything that he wanted by way of finances. But that we do not have. And this is why our farming is not getting anywhere. Command agriculture is a whole lot of corruption institution. It has not taken anybody anywhere. So we need to go back on the drawing board and then look at exactly what we mean by agricultural reform. It really must be holistic. As usual, this is the voice in the wilderness, but the voice of true revolution. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video.